Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get like a discount on the Zimmwriter lifetime deal. Uh, as of now, you have like 3 more days left, and the cost will go up 50%. So if you buy it now, you can get it for $197, and otherwise after like 3 days it will increase to $297. And also subscription plan is also going up $9.97 to $14.97, around $15. So the price is going up. So if you want, you can get like a discount. I will show you how you can get that as well. So these are the pricing plan that you will see on the official website, and you have access to the magic commands, rewriting, advanced triggers, and one-click blog generation, SEO blog generation, and local SEO buffet. So the lifetime includes all these features when you compare it with the basic subscription package of $4. So this is like a Windows based software. It will not work on Mac. The owner is working on a Mac version, but have no timelines on when it will come. So if you ask me who is Zimmwriter good for, I would say like Zimmwriter is good for people who are looking to bulk generate articles. You can generate up to 1,000 articles at a time with this software. And if you are like running a local SEO agency, and if you want to actually generate location specific pages for each service that you offer, you can easily do that with this software. And the other use case would be for like people who are doing Amazon affiliate marketing, and it gives you like specific options for you to add your Amazon affiliate code, and can with the exact precision you can scrape the correct information from the Amazon product page and rewrite it and convert it into a newly written article. So if you are into Amazon affiliate marketing, I will highly suggest, because you can scale like crazy with the software. And if you want high quality content that ranks well without minimum supervision, I will not recommend this software, because it's not for that. This is for like scaling like crazy. And if you want quality, this is not the right software for you. So with that said, let's just see what the other extra pricings that you will have to pay. This will not come with like the OpenAI subscription. You have the software, you install it on our Windows PC, then you have to actually have your own OpenAI API key in order to actually use this. So the usage, the amount of money that you have to pay is totally depend on your requirement and usage. So this is like the one-time fee, and the other payments will be in the form of like API, Open API cost. And if you want to scrape also, you will have to have like a ScrapeOwl subscription, which you can get for cheap with Zimmwriter. I think you can get $5, and it can give you like 10,000 scraping credits, so it's cheap. So those are the additional costs that you might need to keep in mind. And one more, they have like a Pexels integrations, so you can also download images related to the article that you are writing. So it will give you like around 25,000 API requests per month. So it's more than enough, and that way you can make the process even faster. Now I will show you how you can get this discount. As you can see, if you use the link in the description below, it will take you directly to this page where you can get it for $180. You just need to click on buy this, and this will take you to the payment page where you can enter your card or PayPal information and get it for like $182 for a lifetime. So I hope this was helpful. If you are planning to buy Zimmwriter, this is the right time, and after 3 days the price will go up. And have you used it? If you have experience using this software, please share it in the comments below. And I hope this was helpful. If you like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.